Good afternoon to my examiner, Dr. Iwan, and supervisor, Dr. Fatiha. My name is Sasinging. Today, I would like to present my final year research project, which is the impact of COVID-19 on e-business. Abstract. The key purpose of this research is to determine the impact of coronavirus COVID-19 on e-business in West Malaysia, which is Malacca. Coronavirus is an infectious disease that will spread rapidly and take people's life. Malaysia's Prime Minister announces the Movement Control Order (MCO) is to prevent and control the outbreak. It has almost influences all types of businesses. Most of the retailers have shifted their brick and mortar business to online business. It also affected consumer behavior during the pandemic. The consumers also shifted from physical shopping to online shopping. Therefore, it is assumed that this infectious disease will severely impact the Malaysian online usage habit. First, introduction. During the MCO, all of the business premises are closed except the business is selling necessities. Since that, the internet user has critically increases in online activity including buying and selling of goods. The aim of this research is to study the relationship between the independent variables and dependent variable. Next is literature review. E-commerce usage is the dependent variable. Lifestyle, purchasing power, and social factors are the independent variables. The figures show the conceptual framework is used to analyze the relationship of the hypotheses between the variables. Methodology, research design, quantitative research, data collection, questionnaire, population, consumers in Malacca from different races and age below 18 to 50 years old and above. Sample size, 384 respondents. Data analysis, descriptive analysis, normality test, reliability test, and Pearson correlation. Result. Gender. The majority of the respondents are female, which is 229 respondents out of 384 respondents. Race. The majority race of the respondent was Chinese race, has to dominate 209 respondents. Age. The majority age range of the respondents are 18 to 30 years old, which is 190 respondents. Income. The majority respondents received a monthly income of below 4,850 were 276 respondents. Occupation. The majority of respondents who work in the private sector were about 148 respondents. Table 1 shows the summary of mean and standard deviation. Based on the result, the descriptive analysis tested with 19 items. Purchasing power obtained the highest, followed by lifestyle, social factors, and e-commerce usage. The highest standard deviation is lifestyle, while the lowest is purchasing power. Table 2 shows the normality test. Based on the result, the significant value for all variables is 0.000 in Kolmogorov-Smirnova test and Shapiro-Wilk, while the p-value is below 0.05, which is considered normal distribution. Table 3, reliability analysis. All of the variable reliability results are more than 0.7. It means the items are acceptable and reliable. Table 4, Pearson correlation. Based on the result, all of the correlation value are more than 0.5 is moderate positive. The p-value are 0.000, which is less than 0.05. It means the hypotheses are acceptable and there are a significant relationship between the independent variable and dependent variable. Lastly, conclusion. The purpose of this study is to determine the relationship among the consumer usage behavior towards e-commerce usage in Malacca. A total of 384 sets of survey were given to target respondents. Overall, the Pearson correlation analysis had shown that all of the independent variable had a significant positive correlation with dependent variable. The researcher also discusses some limitation factors during doing the research, as well as some suggestions for better future research. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.